The cook is on the run. I have arrested her family, all of them.
How are you?
That was poison.
I'm aware. I heard the entire story, and that is why I'm here. Where is he?
In his chamber.
Okay.
Come with me. Oh.
All right, see you. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. What is this?
He's not speaking. Look at my father. He's dying. My father is dying.
What's happening to him?
The poison is reacting so fast and it's killing him slowly. Dr. Mabel just left the palace. She said she's coming back in few hours' time. Please tell me, will my father survive this?
I believe he will. He's a strong king.
Since my father frowned against the introduction of Alono, the abominable gods in this kingdom, they have been trying to kill him.
I'm aware that Alono supports same-sex marriage.
That is what Udueke, the old priestess, wanted.
For banishing me from this kingdom, you shall die slowly. Yes, I am Udueke, the priestess of life and death. I shall return and become the Alpha of this great kingdom. So shall it be.
The rodent that invites its kind to devour the meat in the kitchen is not far from the home. It is the pet at home that invites other animals in the bush. But there is plenty of food to be devoured in the kitchen.
Wise one, what is happening? My father just returned from UK for treatment and he goes here again. What is happening?
I wish you had eyes so that you may see. I mean, inner eyes.
So, wise one, what are we going to do?
I shall return a second time. And when I do, I shall reveal to all who that rodent is amongst men. For now, I go to prepare myself. For I see war. I see blood. I see battle. I see death. I see a casted evil returning for vengeance.
Wise one.
Please let him be.
I shall return. I shall return.
Father, nothing will happen to you. You won't die. Nothing will happen to you. You're going nowhere. Trust me. You are staying with me. Nothing will happen to you.
And who are you? You foul spirit! How dare you stand in my way?
You will not come to the palace again. Do not say I didn't warn you.
Ah! I am the spirit himself, the great Ochaka. If you dare stand in my way, I will crush you.
And I am a messenger and a warrior. If you dare me, you will not live to tell the story.
We shall see! We shall see! Dua! Bobo dudu! Uduweke! Yeah! Yeah, baby!
It is time I kill the king. Stop distorting me, old fool.
How dare you speak ill of the king? Now, get out of here before I descend on you. Udake, it is you! You foul spirit! You are banished from this land. Now, get out of here because you should not be seen anywhere in this community. Go!
You should have known it is me, Udueke. You should have known by my smell. Now you have tapped my rod and you shall die.
You can't do anything. You cannot harm me in any way.
Who is this king? Who is he? Why do I always keep having this dream? Why? Who are they?
Wake up from your bed. I am Udweke.
are you sleeping? Are you pregnant? I can allow you to roll up by this one.
I'm tired. Just allow me to sleep more, please.
You are tired. Won't you go to the market? Are you pregnant?
Market?
Shrine.
Mama, you said market.
What's that? I said shrine.
Mama, I can't go.
People come and go to the market. You see the guy here.
What kind of a dream is this? Why is this old wish and the daughter always try to kill the king?
What's in that tree? What's in that tree? What's in that tree? You're still there.
Mommy, I'm tired though. I'm tired. I'm just coming back from the farm now. Now you want me to go to the market. Only me will do everything in this house. I'm really tired. I need to rest. Just allow me to sleep small, please.
What's in that tree? I beg you, don't stay. Go inside, prepare, come and go to the market.
Mama, I can't go. I can't go now. I'm not saying I will not go, but I can't go now. I'll go to market. I'll go to farm. I'll go to stream. I'll clean the house. I'll cook. Only me. I'll do literally everything in this house. Just allow me to sleep small. This one time.
So why is it since what that you cannot do it? What's the number will do it? On my phone, sir. Okay, wait. You want me to do it, okay? You will be in this house. I'll go to the market. I'll go to the farm. I even can fetch water. But you are here. Mammy. I will not do it, Osinachi. Mammy, because I don't want to go to the market. Go to your buying. Go inside first. Go and get prepared.
I'll just be doing everything in this house. I'm tired.
You trying to be fair?
No.
You want to beat me? No. Are you not beating me like that? Okay, guys, go. Wait, it's me that will cook it for you. Onyalampo, lazy girl. It's your mother that will go to the market, go to the farm, fetch water, cook the food for you. If I tell you, I will not do it.
Hey, Your Majesty. I'm glad you're recovering fast.
Thank you, my brother. The gods are faithful.
Yes.
Uncle, there will be ceremony in this palace, but that will be after my father is fully recovered.
Exactly.
Sadly, we lost our chief priest.
Honestly, it was a terrible death. He died in the shrine. Even till now, nobody knows what killed him.
Sorry, Kaya. Take some. Sorry. Are you okay?
Sorry.
Your
Majesty. Your Majesty.
Uncle.
Your Majesty. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Call the doctor first. Call the doctor.
Daddy, I have an important assignment to do. Please, can you help me? Daddy, wake up. Daddy, wake up. Daddy. Daddy, help me now. Daddy, help me with my assignment. Grandpa! Grandpa!
Obinna, wake up and help your daughter. And I don't know how to read and write. Obinna. 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 Azenaya. Obinna. Obinna. Azenaya. Papa. Please come. Obinna. I'm doing something in backyard now. I don't know what is wrong with her brother. He's sleeping now. You won't now disturb here. Eh? I'm washing his clothes at the backyard now.
I've been calling him since.
Calling him what? He's not waking up. Brother. Robinna. Adobe, go and get me water. Go, fast! Brother, me penanya now.
See ya.
Doctor.
Babes. The king had food poison.
Yeah.
My father, poisoned again. Not again.
Doctor, are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes.
Another food poison? My brother? Hey! So, what are we going to do?
He will be needing a change of blood.
Change of blood?
Yes.
Hi.
Blood? Check my own now.
All the ladies and the cats must be arrested. No one will leave this palace, no one. Enough of this madness. I will not take it lightly anymore. Eh?
Hey. I think since we have the information of what is wrong with the king, what we should be thinking of now is to get a donor so that we swing into action. But bro, we are not talking about the maidens now. Let us save life first.
Of course, we'll save life and still do the needful.
You see, what are we going to do?
Like I said, we need to do it immediately.
Okay.
Yes.
Excuse me, I think I'll pick my...
Okay. Just ask. The doctor said there will be blood transfusion, so let's wait and see how we're going to do it.
Hey, see.
Princess, please stop crying.
Now listen to me. Are you saying you don't know anything happening in this palace?
No, we know nothing about the accusation.
See, I'm going to ask you this for the last time. How come you will not open your mouth to tell us what is happening in this palace? Are you telling me you don't know?
No, we don't know anything.
Officers, these are the staff in this palace. Arrest all of them. Arrest them all.
Nzobi, you cannot arrest all of them. The cook should be the one to be interrogated, and she's not here. How dare you arrest innocent people?
Oh no. Do you have a hand in what is happening to my brother the king? Do you?
How dare you ask me such questions? How dare you, Nzobi?
Officers, take them out from here.
Take
them out from here.
Nzobi, you've done nothing wrong. You cannot arrest them only.
Oh. Nzobi, where is the cook? She needs to be arrested as well.
I
can see you are sick in the head. But let me tell you, the officers will pick her up. And whoever has a hand in this will surely face justice. This time around, I will leave no stone unturned. Nonsense. Officers, take them out from here. Move there. Come on, move out from here. Come on, move. Come on, move there. Get out from here. Come on, Nzobi. Nzobi. Innocent, get out.
Mother, there is no powerful maiden in that compound. I told you, No one is stronger and mightier than me.
You did not look well.
Mother, I looked. Alright? Stop it already. I saw everything. Mother, you're getting old. In fact, you're getting old and feeble.
Enough! I know what I feel. There is someone there to distort our plans in the future. And that may cause us a lot of struggle.
Mother, you need to rest. I think all you need right now is rest. Because you're bothering yourself over unrealistic things. Yes.
Be watchful. There is someone coming from that kingdom. Very powerful. Yes, she is. Do not argue with me.
It's okay, my mother. I won't go there again.
Oh my God, please don't lie. This is so good. God, please don't lie. This is so good to my husband. God, please.
Did anybody die? Could it be her husband?
Obi, please don't do this to me. Baby, Obi, no, please don't do this to me. Please wake up. Obi, please don't do this to your wife. Please wake up. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Please wake up. Obi, please wake up. Obina, it's me, your wife. Please wake up. Obina, wake up, wake up. People, wake up, don't do this to me. Hey, Obi. Mama finally killed my husband. Mama finally killed my husband for me.
Nebiko, who died?
My sister. His brother Bina. He has been sick for some months now. His brother Bina.
Enough! Woman, have you no idea that your actions led to your husband's death?
How? What do you mean? Who is she? Who is this woman? Eh? Who sent you?
My name is Osinachi. I don't take, I give. Your husband may be dead, but his spirit is still around. Your husband's spirit is bitter and angry because your abominable acts led to his early grave.
I don't understand. What are you saying? Who sent you? What kind of accusation is this? Why are you accusing me of killing my husband?
I need a cup of water. Stream water if possible.
You people going to watch you accuse me of something I don't... Who is she? What are you saying, woman? Who are you? Eh? Who sent you? Who sent you to come and ruin my life? What are you saying? Who is she?
Young lady, before you start, where are you from?
What?
Mmile nwilo. O metalo. Nyabulu. Aka gị dị ọcha.
Obi! My husband is alive! Obi is alive! He's alive!
She has been sleeping with her husband's brother.
What?
Ezewa!
Hey! Hey!
Me?
And that was what led to Obinna's early grave.
Talk to me.
What are you
I am the father. No, it's not possible. And I yell, Uncle.
Ezena.
Uncle, Papa, you're lying, no?
What kind of accusation is that? How will you say such a thing? How can I be sleeping with my husband brother? How?
Don't you know that such abominable acts can lead to death?
Hey!
She's lying, no? She's lying.
And if you claim that I am lying, let her swear.
Yes! 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 Both of you, swear to an oath.
Who are you? Why will you?
Hey!
Are you climbing? What kind of person is this one? Miss, is it taboo now? No, don't examine me now because I don't understand. Brother, thank God you are alive. Thank God, eh? I've been fighting this one. I've been taking you to hospital since how many months? But this one, I say, you know me now.
Don't you think it is time to tell your husband's people and your husband that you are pregnant for your husband's brother?
Yeah? Papa? Who is this person? Who are you? You are a liar. You are a liar.
She's a liar. Who is she? Eh? Who sent you to come and ruin my life?
What is going on?
Who is this girl?
Look. Yeah. Okay, you people are bringing this stranger into our house. Eh? You are bringing this stranger. Let's go. What is going on?
The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world.
Papa, I must be the king. And there is nothing anyone can do about that. No, Papa, I don't want to listen to that, please. I don't want to listen to that, Papa. Papa, you have to do everything humanly possible to prevent Princess Ugonna from being in charge, Papa. I can't take it. No, Mommy, that will not work, Papa. Yes. I'll be in the village next week, Papa. My wife is fine. Yeah. Okay, Papa. All right.
I'm fine. The king refused to die? I see. What of the cook? No, it's fine, it's fine. We won't give up. Personally, I won't give up. Okay, Papa. I'm gonna die,
No, it's okay. It's okay. I hope you people are doing well. All right. My regard to my son. All right.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's yours.
I've been calling since, but it's like you're on call.
Yes, now because I was on call now. I was talking to my son.
Oh,
How is he?
He's fine. Everybody's fine.
It's been a long time I've known, we met last.
Him and Honor neighbor.
Actually, something is bothering me.
And that is...
How can one explain the fact that when he treats one sickness, another will surface? He will try to tackle that one, another one will come. And I've taken time to check. This thing started immediately after he banished Udueke. Oh no, I actually fired him.
No. Concerning Udueke, he did the right thing.
Huh?
Yes. See, I'm rushing home. I want to go and rest. Because today at the palace, it was hectic. I need to go and rest. Udueke, Igwe did well. Come just wake.
If you say so, let's go. I think I'm going to go.
The cook is on the run. I have arrested her family, all of them.
How are you?
That was poison.
I'm aware. I heard the entire story, and that is why I'm here. Where is he?
In his chamber.
Okay.
Come with me. Oh.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. What is this?
He's not speaking. Look at my father. He's dying. My father is dying.
What's happening to him?
The poison is reacting so fast and it's killing him slowly. Dr. Mabel just left the palace. She said she's coming back in few hours' time. Please tell me, will my father survive this?
I believe he will. He's a strong king.
Since my father frowned against the introduction of Alono, the abominable gods in this kingdom, they have been trying to kill him.
I'm aware that Alono supports same-sex marriage.
That is what Udueke, the old priestess, wanted.
Your Majesty, may the gods protect you and your kingdom. From generation to generation. We cannot continue to talk about Alono and shed bad light on it.
Tufiakwa. Udueke, your Alono is a strange god. Udueke, your Alono is not in our lineage. Your Alono is not our heritage. Udueke, your Alono is a casted demon that possesses people. It makes them to commit incest. It makes man to also sleep with his fellow man. Woman to sleep with her fellow woman. Mothers to have lust over their sons. Igwe, Alono is a no-no to Umudin kingdom. Bam. Igwe, if we accept Alono, Igwe, our ancestors will punish us.
Ichioji, you are not the king. You are just an elder in council.
Ose?
Your Majesty, Alono has been accused based on what Ichioji just said. Alono is a good god. Alono is fine and innocent, a just god. I need him. I need his powers to protect us from the spread of dangerous diseases, genocide and evil attacks.
Dueke, I warned you earlier in your shrine. I warned you never to mention this abominable god before me or to any member of this kingdom. But it appears that you have gained ground amongst my subjects because they have started to write letters. They have started to spew nonsense in the name of freedom of life. No, not in my kingdom. Alono is purely evil. Yes, the good side of it is equally as bad. You will wander into the forest with your god, not here.
Your Majesty, I have saved souls in this kingdom. Do not embarrass me.
I would have had you executed by stoning in the marketplace, but because I am not a wicked king. But then, with the power conferred on me as the king of Umodin Kingdom, Igwe William II, I hereby banish you from this kingdom.
It's better you kill me. Your Majesty, just kill me.
No, but the gods will kill you in the wilderness. Take care.
Your Majesty, you can't do that. Who is? Don't touch me. Leave me alone. Don't. Leave me. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Leave me alone. Your Majesty.
I will not accept any abominable and disgusting act in my kingdom. Anyone caught in bestiality, anyone sleeping with his blood, his or her uncle, his aunties, nephew or nieces, in fact, any man caught sleeping with his fellow man, or a woman sleeping with another woman, such person or persons shall have me to contend with, shall incur the wrath of the gods. She must not step her feet in this kingdom again.
Since 2 years, my father have been encountering one problem or the other. I don't want my father to die. I don't want to lose my father.
Look at me. You need to pull yourself together. Your father, the king, is going to be fine. The gods will protect him. They will protect him. Okay? You need to stay strong and put your trust on the gods.
Look at the time. Oh, what's that by their bed? Sis, look at the time. And I'm very, very hungry. I got them narrow now. Onije. We cannot ever. Forget to sit there in the market now. Okay, the one now. Look at the time.
Mama, Biko. I don't have time for arguments. I am very, very angry. I don't have time for argument. You know, if I get angry, something must fall in this house.
Sorry, my princess, queen of my house. Don't be angry. I don't have money to buy drugs for you. Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma.
You should tell me welcome. No, you starting up arguments.
I'm telling you sorry,
Mama, see. Mama, if you see what happened today.
Story will be involved. I'm not going to
So it's not story. This one is real life situation. It happened. One woman that has been sleeping with the husband's brother. Today, the husband died.
Hello?
Yes.
Where?
In Obodama. That's where it happened. Honestly.
Obodama.
Yes.
How did you get there? Because you have no connection with them.
I was on my way to the market. I just decided to follow Afia way to make it faster for me to get to the market. I don't know. I just found myself in Obodama. Somehow in my spirit, I just knew something was not right. I found myself in Obodama. And I experienced that. I saw that situation. It wasn't a good one. People gathered. Mama? Even
I sent you to the market to go and buy what we would eat. Now go now. Okay, so and say welcome. Please go and see this juice there.
Mama, I need to give you the full gist now. I need to tell you how the whole thing happened. I need to give you the gist in details. Mama, I could girl. It's not when I'll be sleeping now. You tell me to come and give you gist. Let me give it to you now.
I sing you later. Now go now. Come. It's okay. Because God cook food and give me. It's okay.
Mommy, I don't want to cook. You should cook now. Only me went to farm. Only me fresh firewood. Only me went to the market. Now you still want me to come and cook. Mama, you should cook now. I'm tired.
Are you sure you're okay?
Mama, I am tired though.
What? Sarah, go and cook also. Or some more. Are you okay? You can go and cook because I'm going to do this here because mother had us and I cook on our dog mother. A woman slept with your brother's husband's brother.
Yes, Mama. Should I come and give you the food gist?
There you go. Ha!
DJ. I am so surprised and shocked at the same time to believe the fact that my younger brother here, Nedina Unyam, Ezenna, is sleeping with my wife. How can I explain this? How can this be told?
Oh, baby, it's not true. Please stop saying this. I am innocent. I did not sleep with your brother. I am innocent. How can I be sleeping with your brother, Ezenna? How? Why can't you just believe me for once? Believe your wife now, eh?
We will not believe anybody. Yes, you accuse us of killing Obinna.
Hey.
Ezenna, I'm ashamed of you.
Uncle, no problem. All of you are ashamed of me, right? No problem. It's just appalling anyway. It's appalling. The world knows that I did not sleep with my elder brother's wife, and I will never do it. On that day, I shall be vindicated that I, Ezenna, did not do it. Yes. Ezenaya, you and Ifoma will not leave this house. Ifoma, you will close your shop. Then after 4 days, all of us will go to the secretary. And you will swear that you have never crossed your elder brother's wife.
Papa, my instincts had never lied to me. I believe the strange girl. I believe everything she said. There is no need for them to swear. All I want is this wicked witch of a woman, this infidel, to go and pack her things and get out of my house. Her infidelity has made her the fate.
Baby.
As for you, Ezenaya, I am totally disappointed at you.
Obimo.
I don't want to hear my name from your mouth.
Obimo, I did not sleep with your brother. Please believe me. I did not sleep with him. I swear I did not sleep with him. I'm innocent.
Obinna, I did not sleep with your wife. Oh. I did not sleep with your wife. Heaven bear me witness. I did not sleep with your wife. Fine. Papa, you said I will not go back to Abuja. We will stay for 4 days, right? That is when we will go to the Amadioha shrine or the tree. Don't worry. I will vindicate myself. A lunatic, a strange girl from God knows where came here and claimed that she arose you from the dead and now accuse me of impregnating your wife. Not just that I'm sleeping with your wife. Brother, I will take this thing personal. I will take care personal. I don't got phone. Papa, you said 4 days, right? I am here. I am not going back to Abuja. I will be here and I will take that oath. I will take that oath and I shall be vindicated. You people will see it. No problem. I am here in this house.
Okay, I'm coming here.
Don't worry. You will see it. No, you will see. No problem. No problem. You don't need to tell me anything. Uncle, you people don't need to tell me anything in this house. You will see it.
You must come here and swear. Eh? If we are old enough for it.
Obinna, believe your wife. I did not sleep with your brother. How can I sleep with Ezenna?
Don't worry.
I did not sleep with him.
Nedu, can you just come out? I know it's you.
Assam. Oh, you. Hey! The queen of the witches and wizards in my life.
Are you mad? What's that supposed to mean?
Hey, you see, you to the face now. Calm down. What is it? I just the hair you small now, eh? See, this your eyes, eh? I don't understand. How did you know it was me, sir? Eh? Did you see you?
Nedu, please, what do you want? My mother is not around.
Oh, since your mother is not around, I can sit and wait for her till she comes back, eh? Yes, let me wait for her till she returns. Hey! It will help you do 1 or 2 here, I will do.
You slept with me in your imagination yesterday.
Jesus Christ. Holy Ghost fire. See, how did you know?
You used the thought of me to masturbate last night using cream.
Hey! Putu, please bring it down. Lower your voice. Hey! See?
That's why I keep talking. This your eyes. I don't understand. Your eyes. It was him. Were you peeping at me through the window or?
It's about 11:45 p.m. Almost midnight. Have I been to your house before?
No, sir. Hi. No, no, ma. So do you know you're so beautiful? Look, Becky, everywhere. Look at it. Hi! Baby! You see, you see. I will not deny it. Everything you said about me is true. Yes. But do you know that both of us can be man and wife and we have 5 children?
You are not my husband. Medu. Medu, you have a calling to become a pastor. To win souls for God. Your own God.
Pastor? And I'm doing soapy for you. Do you want the devil to kill me?
I see you in pastor's school sometime in future. And you're going to do well in it.
Hi, God forbid. Oh, Simba, stop saying this. I don't like this now. Keep saying you fought around car. You didn't say this one well. I disagree with you this time around. Are you saying, Pastor, see, in fact, I want to be a native doctor. Yes, so that I will make money. People will come, I'll be telling them, this is it, exactly the thing. In fact, I even started learning incantation. You don't know? You see, that's why I keep coming close to you. In fact, more closer to you. So that you see, both of us can be man and wife. You can use this your powers, Draw people, they will come. Be telling them, this is it. Oh yeah.
Keep deceiving yourself,
Hey. Oh yeah now. Let's say it good. So where do I start from now?
Medu, I want to tell you something very important.
Another one.
I have been having this strange dream. And I keep seeing this king that I don't even know in person. Each time I see him, they always try to strangle him. I really can't explain. I don't know who else to talk to about this. Repeatedly, I keep having this strange dream.
Ose, calm down, okay? This is not what I will discuss standing. Let me go and get a seat. Then we'll sit down and discuss it very well, okay? Hold on. Hi!
Get me salt.
Okay, I'll wait.
Please.
Who was that girl? Who is she?
I don't know.
I need to know. Who is she?
I don't know that girl. She's a demon. She's a demon, a total strange girl that appeared today. I'm going crazy. I don't know.
Is it now I am finished? Is it now I am finished? Is it now I want you? I want you to stop coming to my room, Izina. But you refuse. Now I am pregnant. And you're asking me to pin it on your brother. Instead of that one to die and rest in peace. Someone else has come to expose us and expose everything. I want you to stay away. I want you to stop coming to my room every night. But you refused. You and I know that that girl was saying the truth. You and I know.
Look, relax your mind, okay? I have a plan. I have a good plan.
I've contacted my Yoruba native doctor. Okay?
Okay.
He will land here before the oath-taking day. Okay? And he told me that he will do some things and the oath will be ineffective for us. It will not happen. The madness which you are scared of, it will not definitely happen. Trust me, I'm on this, okay? Just trust me.
Ezenna, I am scared. I am very, very scared. I am scared. This whole thing is traumatizing me.
Can you listen to me? Now, this is the time you have to stop being emotional, okay? This is the time you listen to me.
Don't tell me that.
I said we will scale through. Nothing will happen to us, okay? And reduce your voice. My dad and my elder brother.
You know, start listening to my daughter wakes up. Just go. God, I am dead. I am finished. God, please come and help me. Come and save me from this mess. Oh, hey. Help me, Lord.
Mommy.
Atobi.
Mommy, how could you? How could you do this to my father? I saw you and my uncle coming out from the bathroom when my daddy traveled. And when I asked you, you said nothing. So you're guilty, Mom.
Hey, Atobi, listen. I am your mother. I am not guilty of whatever this. I am not guilty.
Mom, I'm so disappointed at you.
Atobi.
I almost lost my dad, if not of the strange auntie. Mom, I am hurt.
Oh, baby. Finished my God. I am finished.
It's alright. Stop crying.
Okay.
It's alright.
It's not.
It's alright. Stop crying.
Stop crying. Stop crying. It's alright. It's alright. Stand up. Stand up. Stop crying. Get up. Your crying cannot. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Because we'll unveil them.
I spoke with him last night and he died this morning. Father, what do you mean by heart failure? Ogesi, my brother was never sick. My twin brother was healthy, Father. What is happening? What is happening? I can't believe my twin brother is gone. He's gone for life. No wonder I kept seeing him in my dreams, waving at me, gifting me flowers. Father, what is happening? My twin brother is gone. My twin brother is gone. He's gone. My brother is gone. My twin brother is gone. Gone for life. I won't see him again, Father. I won't see him again. I won't. This is too much for me to bear. This is too much for me to bear. It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay, Father. It's not. Tell me it's gone. He's gone. I won't see him again, Father, if you leave me, this kingdom will fall. Father, please don't leave me the way my twin brother Ogesi left me. Please, don't leave me. They killed your doctor. I don't know how it happened, but there is an enemy in this palace. Please, don't leave me. Please. I believe nothing will happen to you. I strongly believe you will die. You are going nowhere.
Evil is here. Our king is dying slowly. Darkness is here.
You shall be in the palace when the time comes.
He also wants the king dead.
I know. For his son to become the king.
What then becomes of us, Mother?
I saw everything. The calamity. The war. The victory. But what I don't know is where the wind is blowing all this to. All I long for is to see the king dead. And that will happen when they come for us.
Yes, my mother. And I also can't wait to be at the palace because it is such a beautiful place to be.
Yes.
So, that is what we are going to do.
I'm there.
Are you going to help me find the kingdom?
Why not? Of course, I will.
Are you sure?
Are you not my sweetheart again? No, I know.
Are you okay?
See, you don't need to start. You don't start.
No, I should be telling you don't start. What's that supposed to mean?
You see, I'll cheat for you. Provided you just say yes.
Say yes to what?
My wife.
As what? As what? What's the connection between me being your wife and you helping me find the kingdom? What are you saying?
You trust to say yes, I will.
Yes to what?
I
didn't. Please, if you don't want to help me, just go to your house. Hey, go to your house now. I don't understand.
Mama, good morning, ma. Osinachi, I am going to the farm.
Mama, I thought I told you now. Go to market, let me go to farm. Please.
Yeah. I want to go to the farm. You go to the market.
Mama, Nedu is here. Nedu will help me out with the farm work, right?
Yes.
Mama, go to market. Carry the tomato and sell in the market. Nedu and I, we go to farm.
Osi, I want to go to the farm today to see how that farm is. Then you go to the market and sell the tomatoes. But for me, farm can go gata. So that tomorrow you will not tell me, Mama, Osinachi this, Osinachi that. Today, let me go and farm. Oh?
But Mama, you just have to calm down. Okay? Do what she said. We will go to the farm later. Please.
Don't worry, the stress is my own. You go and sell to the tomatoes. Off I go to the farm.
Now I'm begging you to go to market too.
I'm begging you to go to the farm. I want to go to the farm.
Mama, please.
Hey, my dear.
So,
yes.
You help me to find the king. I just need someone to accompany me.
As your husband. Can't you see it?
You know you started. I keep telling you this, I don't like it.
What's it? What's go? You don't go over. That's what I need now. Just go inside there. Wept water.
Nedu?
Eh?
Yeah, they're okay now.
It's
still very early in the morning. Who comes out to visit somebody in the morning?
This is also my house. What are you saying?
Go back to your house.
Hey, I go nowhere.
Daddy, take it. You're not taking it as I want, Daddy.
I am trying. It's just that it's bitter. It's bitter, my daughter.
Take this one, Daddy.
It's very, very bitter. But keep it out.
Mommy, what are you trying to do? Give my father your food?
Your father has not eaten anything since. He needs to eat something. Adobe, I am innocent.
Not until proven otherwise. I am cooking for my father. Just leave me and my father alone.
That's true.
Obi.
Until you open your heart and confess, only then will I forgive you.
Obi.
I can even let go. Stop endangering the child in your womb.
Obi.
Just go.
I am not cheating on you. I swear I am not cheating on you. Please, you need to eat something.
Just take it and leave, Mom. If you bring food for my father again, I will tell Grandpa.
Adobe! Adobe, why are you saying this? I am innocent.
Just go. I don't want to shout. Just go, please. Leave us alone.
Adobe, please now eat something. Please, I beg of you.
I will take this one.
What were you saying on the phone?
I want to confess. I want to confess that we did it. I can't live with it. It's really tormenting me.
Confess what exactly? What are you going to confess? Okay, what about your reputation? Your father, your family, our family? You're going to confess that we did what? What exactly?
The guilt is killing me. Don't you get it? It's killing me inside.
I have told you to calm down. I'm on this. I'm sitting on this matter. Okay? I'm on this game. I told you, calm down. Relax, let me handle it. Okay, listen. I am going to, or rather, we are going to see this Yoruba herbalist, the native doctor I told you about. It's coming from Ibadan. I have contacted him. We are going to see him tonight. Okay? I'm on this. Stop being jittery unnecessarily. This is not working.
I'm being jittery unnecessarily? Is that what you're saying? Do you know that my husband has refused to eat my food? He has refused to eat my food. He does not even want to see me.
Obinna, my elder brother, will definitely eat your food. That is after the oath taking. And this thing, I am telling you, you need to just understand this. Trust me for 1 second. If you give me this trust, you'll be fine. Obinna, my elder brother, will definitely eat your food. And I will eat food as well. So you just calm down. I'm on this.
You don't get this. I don't think you get all of this.
You just like trust me.
It's too much of me.
I understand.
It's too much. I cannot take
but
this
just
anymore.
you just have to trust me. You just have to trust me. Again, see what I'm telling you. What is she looking at? I told you. You keep calling me on the phone. I don't like it.
Nemo, I bring small, let daddy test. Small. Salt. It's tasty. No, how to cook. I cover it. Let's give it a few minutes so the water will dry, eh? It's bon one. I blow it.
Yes, so I got you too, my baby. Yes, will you be my bread and butter, bread and butter, bread and butter?
My girl, you want to catch her? I love you, you don't mind mommy.
Will you be my bread and butter, bread and butter, bread and butter? Bread and
husband. Snake has beaten your mother in the farm.
My mother?
Yes, yes.
Snake bite?
Yes, go back. Follow me.
Very big one. Very big snake.
Okay.
Hey, big. Mama.
Sorry, Mama. I told you. I told you not to go to the camp.
Hey!
Mama, I'm sorry.
Amo, you can heal other people, but your mother is dying. Do something now. What's going on?
I am doing something. Can't you see I am doing something? I'm trying to do something, Mama. Please. Okay, Mama. Hey. Mama, just calm down. Snake, just stay with her, please. Mama, I need to go get leave. Please. Mama, please. Okay, let me get a leave that will.
Please, sorry. I like it so. I understand. Sorry. But it's not better we go to the hospital.
I am still in the palace. It's all right. The idea is very good. I think I'll have to call you back. How is your wife? It's okay. Iche, I was talking to my son. My son is having a marital problem. His wife is something else that I don't know what to do.
Okay.
Ichie, when are they going to release the staffs from police custody, seeing that the chef is on the run?
You're eager for them to be released?
Yes, of course, because they are innocent. They are innocent. So why keeping them? From all indication, their hands are not in what is happening in the palace. So why keeping them in police custody? They have been in this palace for a very long time. They even sworn allegiance in this palace. So, Kevin do Solomon a police station.
The chief as well. Oh no.
Each year.
Oh no. Please, don't bring up this matter again. Please.
I know your stand in this palace, but I know your stand does not mean that when you see the truth, you will turn it.
Yes. Keep an eye on Onowu. Yeah?
Oh, but stand up, stand up. Stand up and take a rest. Sorry. Sit. Drink this one. Okay. Drink now, there's no time. Drink. Mama, be cool now. Just drink, please.
Nah, I don't think I can make it.
No, Mama, you will make it. You will make it, okay? Mama, you will.
Okay, go back. I'm seeing the sign.
I'm not seeing any sign. The only thing I can see is that you will make it. You will drink. Mama, you have told me all these things now. You told me how a drunk man got you pregnant and ghosted you, left you just to suffer. You told me this is not the time for story.
I need to tell you how I almost like that.
Idiot girl, stupid girl. I brought you to better your life from the girl you offer. You stupid girl. You went around messing up with my customers and all the coppers around. And you walking around, sleeping around. I'm tired of feeding you and your baby. I'm tired. You will run my business down. By the time I feed your baby, my business will run down. Please, go and look for the person that got you pregnant. Let the person continue from where I stop. You've gotten what you want. What do you want me to do again? I am tired. I can't be feeding you and your baby now. Please. Please, go and look for the person. Tell the person that you are pregnant so that he will take care of you. Go and meet the person. Please. I can't be feeding you and your baby now. Feed you, take care of you, take care of your baby. Don't leave me alone, leave me. You want to mess your life. You want to mess your life up. You want pregnancy. Go and get it. Go. Go away with your pregnancy. I don't want it again. Go. Go out of my shop. Go. Just go. I've tried. Go and look for the person. Go and look for the person. Please, go and look for the person here. Just go. Go and look for the person. Go. Go and look for the person. Let the person take care of you and your baby. I'm tired. Just go. Go, please. What is it? You will go to the place and bring them because they are orphans. They will come here and be messing around. Go, please, go.
not harm that child in your womb. She's special. She's unique. She's not just a child. My daughter.
Mama, where have you been? This pain is too much for me.
I've been around you.
Mama, my mother.
You almost committed suicide.
But your grandmother came. She appeared to me. That picture that's in my old box. The one that looks like passports.
Yes, I remember. I remember the picture. The one that's your elder brother. The one that went for the NYSC and never came back. I remember the picture, Mama.
I lied to you. I lied to you that he was my elder brother. He's not my elder brother. He's your father. Father?
My father is alive.
Oh!
No.
Greetings, wise one. It's a pleasure meeting you again.
My son, you are welcome. Your father visited. I am still in shock that the king is not dead by now.
Yes, you're right. And that is why I'm here, wise one.
You shall become the next king of Umudim. You and your father shall keep your mouths shut.
Yes, wise one. And I'm glad doing this with you.
I am aware they are recruiting new workers in the palace.
Yes, wise one, you're right about that.
We shall see.
Do not be afraid, my future king. I am Alono, for I shall be in the palace soon. Smile, bow and worship me, for it is my time.
I bow down, great Alono.
The palace, the kingdom, and the people shall be ours. Umudim, here I come.
You're welcome, great Alono.
I am Udweke.
I bow before you, great Udweke.
Hey, Asa. What a beautiful damsel. He? What's up there?
Can I help you?
You're so beautiful, I swear. Like, look at me. I'm ready to spend all my life savings on you. Like anything you want. Let's just go to one corner. Like let's just do, you know?
Yes.
You say?
I said yes. I'm interested, but I don't need your money.
Just like that? So, you don't agree the way you don't agree me since?
Uh-huh. We need to go because I want to run errand for my mom.
Let's go. Hey, Negodasa. Negodunwa.
Which way?
This way. Hey! Negodunwa. What is your name?
Ekemma.
Yeah.
Don't you say you should go to the kingdom you're talking about? I think they are recruiting some new workers. Are you serious? Because you see, I want you to look right. Yes, I want you to focus. You can't be staying like this all day. Do you understand?
Yeah, that's true. But do you know the address of the place? I will go. Thank you so much. I need to go see my uncle. Do you mind going with me?
No problem. I will go for you.
How did it go?
Okay. Have this. This is a waist bead. It's for you. I have mine already, okay? According to the herbalist man, the Yoruba herbalist, he said once we put on our waist bead, the oath we are going to take next tomorrow will be very ineffective. This is a strong charm, okay? Okay.
Okay, now.
Alright,
Okay,
we'll
I
see.
know.
Adobe, are you not supposed to be with your dad? What are you doing in my room?
Mommy, why are you daring the gods of our land?
Daring the gods of our land? Why are you talking to me like that, Adobe? I'm your mother no matter what. You don't speak to me in that manner.
I'm not saying that you're not my mother. I'm just telling you the truth.
What truth are you talking about? What truth do you know?
I had a bad dream when you were running mad and picking dirt.
Running mad?
All you have to do right now is go to my father and confess. He loves you. He will have mercy on you and we'll all live together.
You are not qualified to work in this palace. You are not.
Says who?
Oh no.
Anybody?
Oh no.
Who are you? Who are you to speak? Let me ask you. I am the owner of this kingdom. In the absence of the king, I speak, and not you, Zobi.
And the king is my brother. My own flesh and blood. Who are you to tell me what to say or what to do in my own family? Who are you?
This has nothing to do with family. We are talking about our kingdom. You should know your boundaries.
Oh no, what happened?
You should know your
boundaries.
boundaries.
Oh no, what happened? No. This game must live.
Who are you?
Elders in council, we are making too much noise. The princess has the right to either make them stay or leave. In other words, she has the final say.
Fine. Oh no, Obi, both of you should calm down. Wait to Obi. I'm not calling you for everyone. Princess Ugonna, do you want this maiden to walk in this palace or not?
They were 12 in numbers, and I've made my selection already.
Enania?
I want her to walk in this palace.
Oh! No. Who are you? Oh no, are you sick in the head? What is your problem? What is your problem?
Now listen and listen good. You must obey my orders. The next time you disobey my instruction or my orders, you have me to contend with.
Ezechi, what is this? You have never laid your hands on me. I've never seen you like this before. What is happening?
Food is ready.
Have you attended to my father?
Yes. Princess. It is a taboo for such things to happen. Him laying hands on you.
Look, in my dream last night, someone pushed me into a deadly hole. I didn't see the face. You saved me. You saved me, Osinachi. You saved this palace.